How to make money online with no money. Okay, today I'm going to share with you how to make money online with no money offline. Okay, in the real world you are very broke. Okay, you have little or no money at all, and you are looking for ways to make money online. So in this video, I'm going to share with you my experience. Okay, I was actually like you, trying to find ways to make money online, as it was a very mind-blowing um, thing for me, because I don't believe actually you can make money online. Of course, when you search for how to make money online, there are many programs or courses which ask you to pay a lot of money. Okay, so after exploring and went through a lot of painful experience, I finally found what are the ways to make money online without money offline. So if you're interested to find out how I did it, you can click on the link on the description and buy the information from me. Okay, and if you have put into action and you still couldn't make any money online, let me know about it. I will totally refund your small investment. Okay, and thanks for watching and listening to Yori White from YoriWhite.com.